Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to erase temporary files on Windows 10. As the name suggests itself, temporary files are those files that apps store on your computer to hold information temporarily. Apart from that, Windows 10 also saves many other temporary file types, including leftover files after installing a new version of Windows, upgrade logs, error reporting, temporary Windows installation files, and much more. Usually, these files don't cause any issues on your computer. However, they can overgrow and may take up a lot of space on your hard drive, resulting in your PC may run out of space. You can save your valuable hard disk space by removing these temporary files from your Windows 10 device. It is safe to erase these files. You can safely remove temporary files using the Settings app. Here is how to do it. How to remove temporary files on Windows 10. To delete or remove temporary files on Windows 10, open the Settings app by pressing Windows +I keys on the keyboard. After that, on the Settings window, click on the System category. On the left sidebar, click on the Storage tab. Then, on the right, click on the Temporary Files tile. On the Temporary Files setting page, you'll find all types of temporary files listed. Here, check or uncheck file types you want to remove or keep on your Windows 10 machine. Now, scroll up and then hit the Remove Files button. That's it. Windows 10 will remove the selected temporary files from your PC. Let me know via comment how this video is. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel, Garup Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.